Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So we're carrying on exactly where we left off in the last lesson. And here where we say if the current pistol clip equals 0, so we have no bullets in the clip, then we do nothing and return, because we need to reload first. However, if we do have bullets in the clip, then we want to do something when we press fire. So let's get this code into place now. And we're going to say if open brackets underscore next attack timer double equals 0, we'll close brackets. And we'll open and close again. So let's come here first and put in the comment. So we'll say if next attack timer equals 0, we'll come inside the brackets here, and we want get component, and we'll open and close brackets. We want the audio source. We'll open and close again. Dot. We want play one shot. We'll open and close brackets again. So let's come inside the brackets and we're going to say underscore gunshot. That's what we want to play, and we'll close the line off into the comments. Play gunshot audio clip. And we'll come to the line below. And we want pistol shoot. We're going to call this void here. So we'll open and close. We'll close the line off into the comments. And we'll say call, and we'll just use the naming convention pistol shoot function. In the next line, underscore next attack timer equals, and we want the weapon cooldown. Close the line off into the comments, and we'll say, let's say, and then make next attack timer equal to weapon cooldown. So let's have a look here. Next attack timer equals 0 on startup. So when we start the game straight away, we'll assume we've got bullets in the clip, so we'll ignore this for now. If we press fire, we can automatically shoot. However, once we have actually shot, then we're going to make the next attack timer equal to the weapon cooldown, which is 1. And we'll have to make that count down before we can shoot again. So it'll have to count down from 1 to 0, and then we can let off another shot. But we'll worry about that later, because that piece of code's going to be in this void here. So for now, we'll just continue. So let's come... Yes. Yes, we'll come here. And we'll put it here just before the last close bracket. And we'll say if open brackets, and we want input, and we want dot, and get button down. We'll open and close brackets. We'll open and close. We'll come inside this first set of brackets, speech marks, and we want the reload button, which we created in an earlier video. But if you haven't done it yet, please go ahead and create a reload button. I've set mine to R. And let's get this into the comments. So we'll say if input equals the reload button, we'll come inside the function here, we'll call the reload function. We'll open and close brackets, let's close the line off, and into the comments, and we'll just say call reload function, and we'll just save that off there for a moment. So this now is finished in regards to the void update. Oh, and forgive me, I've just missed off a closed bracket there. Double closed brackets before we open and close. So let's just save that. So that's the void update complete. Now we're going to skip over these two voids for the moment, and the reason for this is these are going to be quite lengthy to fill out, so I want to do a separate video for each one of them. But what we can actually fill out for the moment is the add pistol ammo, because this is a fairly short function. So let's come inside and we'll say underscore, and we want the pistol inventory, and we're going to say plus and equals, and we want the pistol, and it's the ammo temp we want. Let's close the line off there and get it into the comments. Let's say add temp pistol ammo to pistol inventory, and we'll come below here. Now this is all to do with how our actual inventory system's going to work, so please don't worry if you don't understand what we're doing here. It will make sense as we come to fill out more of the script and actually create some more scripts later. So yes, we'll be able to pick up ammo, and as you can see here, we still have these voids to fill out in the weapons script. So once we've filled these out and we begin creation of the inventory system, all this will begin to make a lot more sense. But with that said, let's continue on, and we'll say if open bracket, and we want the current pistol clip, and we'll say greater than maximum pistol clip. Let's close the brackets off there and we'll come into the comments. If current clip is greater than max, we'll come to the line below and we'll say underscore current pistol clip will make it equal to the maximum. And this comes for when we are actually reloading. So if you try and reload, let's say you've got, in fact we'll come up here, so we can hold 12 bullets. So let's say you've shot off 6 bullets, so you've got 6 left in your clip. We cannot reload past the maximum, so it will just add 6 more bullets to the clip. That's what this if block is for. So let's continue on with the comment. Then make current clip equal to max, and we'll come below here if open brackets, and we'll say current pistol clip is less than 0, and let's get that into the comments. If current clip is less than 0, let's come below here. Then we want the current pistol clip to be equal to 0. So I think you can understand what's happening here. If we're shooting and we have 12 bullets, once we get to 0, we cannot have a negative number. So let's get this into the comments. So we'll say then make current clip equal to 0. And we will have code in these two voids that will work with these two if blocks. And let's save that off there, and I think we'll leave it here for this video. As you can see, I've got some tidying up to do with the comments, but I'll do that off camera as always. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you've understood everything we've done up to now. But if not, as always, please leave a comment below, and I will always do my best to try and answer any questions you may have. But as I said, we'll leave it here for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.